Hello everybody. Today we're introducing a brush tip marker Miniso, and I have been asked to review it, how it works. So we're going to do this runner primarily with this marker and see how it works. We will put in first the person and a small line there for the torso, shoulders right up here, arm, hand. So we could have a line going back like this. Maybe, I think it might be better. So we'll show one leg, second leg, and of course there will be the foot and the other foot going right there, slightly longer arm there, and the head looking that way. So when I'm using a brush tip, you could use any kind of marker for this. I'm going to have a light source coming from there, so it's all hitting the dark tones on the opposite side of the light source, and I am just putting in with a brush some simple tones to put our runner together. So let's say that he has a running jersey on, and you will see that this is a very simple exercise when it comes to putting in quick tones, and even using the same thing for a framework. I'm using a hoodie here, so a hoodie design, and I am quickly going over and as you see, I moved the tone there on the wrist and the forearm in the opposite direction, because the light source is coming in against that against the opposite source, so we have to highlight it differently in this. I personally think that the marker is very effortless. It's just like any standard Copic or brush tip marker, and even though I have just done this very quickly, it seems to have a fading and an alternating thick and fading tip with the slightest move, and it does not seem to have too much of leak, or does not spread too much. So I think that it really works. So once again, Miniso, and it seems to be a new brand, but seems to be formidable enough for basic project work like this.